Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back. It's your buddy Technoboy, and in today's video I'm gonna do a sound taste comparison between these two receivers, the Pioneer and the Yamaha. And first of all, let me tell you that the Pioneer receiver is connected to this custom-made speakers, which are very cheap, and the Yamaha receiver is connected to this Pioneer speakers. The set came with the Pioneer receiver, and I connected this to my Yamaha. And also Yamaha is connected to this Pioneer subwoofer, and also another 12-inch Sony Explorer subwoofer here. And the Pioneer receiver is connected to one subwoofer using this amp, and this is the 15-inch. So I'm gonna do the sound test first without the subwoofer, and then with subwoofer, and you'll let me know which one you like. So let's start. Alright, now I'm gonna do the sound test using the subwoofer. I'm gonna turn it on. This one is connected to Yamaha, and to this 12-inch Sony sub, and this one is connected to Pioneer and to this 15-inch sub. And this Pioneer sub, it's 8-inch powered sub. There it is, and it's also connected to the Yamaha. So let's do it again.
We are dreaming in the dark. We're nothing more than dust. We are reaching for the stars. We're making this to one. And I wonder where you are. Let's to be honest. Maybe you should take it slow. We are dreaming in the dark. We are reaching for the stars. We're making this to one. And I wonder where you are. To be honest, maybe you should take it slow. Always hesitating, kryptonite desires set my heart afire. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my
So this was the sound test comparison video between the Yamaha and the Pioneer. So let me know in the comments below which one you like more. Well, I like both of them. They both sound really nice, but I prefer the Pioneer a bit more than the Yamaha. So thanks for watching, guys. Do subscribe to my channel and like and share, and thank you. Bye bye.